Elder abuse is very broad. In fact, the breadth of elder abuse can often make it invisible, kind of hiding in plain sight. It can be physical abuse against an older person, sexual abuse against an older person, neglect. It can be financial exploitation. It can be domestic violence later in life. It's a very comprehensive sort of belittlement or exploitation of an older person, preying on often their vulnerabilities, and in some cases on their dementia or cognitive impairment. Within a decade, in 10 more years, 1.2 billion people around the world will be over the age of 60. Now is the time for all of us to step forward and see what's happening and find ways to work together for solutions. Cognitive impairment or cognitive decline is a huge risk factor. We know that someone with a cognitive impairment can be otherwise fairly independent, but lose their ability to manage their finances. The second huge risk factor is social isolation. As people age, they naturally have smaller and smaller spheres. They have few family members. They don't get around as much. Becoming isolated from your life, from your community, puts someone at tremendous risk for abuse. It's very important to listen to older adults themselves. This is about what we as society can do to support them, and we have to listen to them and have them at the table. I'm absolutely convinced that if all policymakers in every country listen to victims of elder abuse, we could change this quickly. Elder abuse is an outrage against humanity, and I feel very strongly that it robs all of us of what we need at the end of our life. And the goals that we have, I think, are universal. All people want to be independent. They want their health. They want their family around them. They want to be in communities that support them and value them. Elder abuse is the fastest way to steal those goals at the time when someone should be enjoying the end of their life and the contributions they have made for decades.